video, Greg and I will do some gardening because it's springtime na, so we have to do and tend our garden. We will show you some of the tools that we use for our gardening. But before that, let's do our intro! Okay, Greg will go to the front of the garden now with our tools.
What we're doing today, we're going to clean up this garden because it's got these yellow things in it called dandelions. They're growing, weeds are growing, leaves are everywhere. There are tools which we'll be using, tools of choice. There's Cynthia filming. And this is our glorious magnolia tree. Magnolia! Magnolia tree. There you go. The tools which we will be using today.
Tools we'll be using today.
We all know the garden rake. This is not a Waltz ting ting. It's a garden rake.
Yeah.
It's good for doing this, raking leaves. This beastie is called a garden claw, and it's good for turning the soil after you first turn it and get rid of the roots. This implement, torture.
That's my favorite one.
Yeah, it's Cynthia's favorite. This is a dandelion puller. And you go like this, and you get a good clip. Oh, step on it. Pulls out the dandelion, see?
Yeah. See? It works.
This is a hoe, not to be confused with the 50-cent. These are called garden claw.
Ooh,
garden
that's scary.
It's quite an implement of torture.
Dun, 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 dun.
Could be used in medieval battle, but is used for agitating soil.
Oh yeah.
Soil is agitated.
Works.
Like, oh.
That's useful.
Standard garden claws. Standard garden claws.
Scratch your back.
Scratch your
Oh,
back.
don't be careful.
Claw the garden. We agitate it before we claw it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
These are bull pinchers.
Yeah, one like that. I know,
These
but
clipping
bigger.
trees. They're
not
tree trunk.
Mine is like, see, big scissors.
In the Philippines, this is known as a lawnmower. They call this a lawnmower in the Philippines, but this is actually a hedge trimmer.
I use
We have
that.
another hedge trimmer.
Yeah, I use that too. To cut my hedge in the Philippines.
Cut grass.
Yeah.
In the Philippines, they cut grass.
Yeah. See?
We don't use the lawnmower.
It's very useful.
Let's go.
Okay.
It's time to work.
Okay.
These are weeds.
Yeah, those are weeds. See? All the dandelions there. Ooh, lots of dried leaves there. Are you gonna trim this Japanese maple tree? I know today.
We're gonna let it start.
Just put it there. I'll pick it up here in the front there. Look at all the dandelions here in the front. The grass. Lots and lots of them. This is how you use this tool. It's made by fish cars. First you find a dandelion and look for where the middle is. See that? That's where the middle part is. Then you put this tool right in the middle. Push on it with your foot. There. So there's a very snug dip there. And then don't lift your foot away from the tool. And then you slightly pull it back up. There. Oops, almost. You got some of it. It's a big one. Now to remove this part, you just jerk it like this. It comes off easily. And then you go look for the middle part again. Push it like that. Pull it up. There you go. No more dandelion. See how easy it is? Tilling the soil. Turning the soil. There you go.
Oh, this is enough to give you a heart attack. Oh.
I'll do that.
Recording. Huh? Yeah. Get the blades into the soil. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Not too deep. Deep enough. And it's just like washing a floor. You back out from the way that you can. Okay.
Rest time. You got tired.
H2O, nectar of the gods.
Yeah. I'll have my coffee. Coffee!
Water.
Vacuuming all the dirt. Okay, we're done. I think it's 5 p.m. now. And this is what we've accomplished. There you go. It's all clean. No more weeds, I hope. And then we need to water it tomorrow maybe and put some fertilizer. We're gonna put fertilizer. This is the front grass. No more weeds. We'll clean some more maybe tomorrow. Okie dokie. And then after that we'll do the back one. What do you think?
I think it's done. Let's clean up.
Okay. Okay.
Finished.
That's our vlog for today. We hope you like it. And if you have any questions, please comment down below.
Cherry tomatoes.
Click like and share and subscribe.